my name is Marlene. Welcome to another tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this cute and super useful mini folder, which is perfect to use as an insert in our young journals. If you're interested in the printable kit, I will leave the link in the description box. Let's get started with the folder, which is the base piece. We are going to make the score lines I'm showing you here. I'm going to ink around the edges to make this inside of the folder stand out. Now I'm going to glue all the inner pockets. It's very easy and simple. First, I will start with a diagonal pockets. To attach them, you can use glue, either liquid glue or double-sided tape. I repeat this step with the rest of the pockets and the belly band, which is shoulder line up with the top pockets. Finally, glue the pockets on the outside. I'm going to choose this pocket with the typewriter design for the front. As a decoration, I'm going to add an embossed label to say notes, and I will add a charm to the top of the folder. This part is optional, but I think it's look really pretty. This golden detail. I'm going to use the gold leaf. If you don't have a gold leaf, you can use gold glitter. I'm going to apply it with a glue pen, and it's very easy. This golden details looks beautiful. What do you think? And that's it. It's ready for you to add your favorite or secret notes. This mini folder can be used as an insert in your journals. If you like my content, I would really help me out if you give me this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!